Oh my gosh, look at all that.
Even a cactus.
Duplo Lego cactus, that's pretty cool. Stay here on the green, Ollie. Good job. Got it? Oh, you're gonna put the Lego horse on the Daily Planet?
Daily Planet. Yeah. Look. Look, go! 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 Daddy, look how fast it is! Look at wow!
The helicopter.
Hey, you missed so good.
Ollie, you gotta stay on the green. You gotta stay over here. Nope, it's over here. Don't throw him. Sit him up here. Yeah, there you go.
It's ugly.
There's him.
It's ugly. It's ugly.
No, I think he's quite handsome.
Yeah, handsome.
Speaking of handsome.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, go put him back. Find more tires? No, we're not gonna climb in them. Nope. No. Get down. Let's go back over to the toy place. Back over there. Gotta wait for them to get the nail out of the tire. Yeah, that's a little one. This way. We gotta be over here. Nope. Hello. Nope. Come on, this way. I see you in there. Come on. That's a crazy landing. That's a cool monster truck. You gotta do it like that, ready? Oh, is that loud, huh? Yeah, let's not slam that, okay? Any more out, we have to put some away. Thank you. Oh, too late.
Yeah.
It is on the white. We're gonna be leaving. Alright, put it away, Ollie. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, too late. You got it?